Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the electric toothbrush twin pack by ZoCCee. Sonic toothbrushes, 2 hand pieces with 8 replacement toothbrushes. Heads, 2 brush head, protective case, 5 cleaning modes, 2-minute timer, USB rechargeable, IPX7 waterproof. Yeah, this is what you need to make a fresh and awesome smiling. Oh yeah. With 38,000 vibrations in the minute, these teeth can be cleaned deep and effectively. This brings our whiter and healthier gums and teeth. We have 2 hand pieces and 8 brush heads, 2 toothbrushes, 1 in black and 1 in pink. Each toothbrush is equipped with 4 toothbrush heads, which can satisfy the need of a couple or the whole family. And we have 4 cleaning modes. 5 different cleaning modes are available: clean, white, massage, and gum care. That's awesome. Really. To meet the different needs of the dental care, also suitable for sensitive teeth. This is the 5th mode. We have a USB rechargeable and durable battery built in. With USB cable, this sonic toothbrush can be charged at home or while we are traveling by power bank, laptop, and other equipment. For example, AC adapter of your smartphone. Lithium-ion batteries built in. 4 to 5 hours full recharge. Job's done. And then it's time to make a fresh smiling again of your entire family as you like. And this for about 50 days of use. And we have a timer. 2-minute timer. This helps us keep this recommended 2 minutes cleaning time. It will automatically stop working after 2 minutes. During these 2 minutes, the device pauses every 30 seconds for 0.8 seconds to remind us that it is time to clean other parts of our mouth. This is smart. Charging time is 4 up to 5 hours. The bathroom is the lithium-ion battery with 2000 mAh. The charging can be used by USB cable, 5 volt, 1 ampere, and the battery life is up to 50 days. The sound technology is a 38,000 vibrations per minute, and we have 4 modes included. This is the sonic vibration, over 38,000 strokes per minute, dynamic cleaning, baby. And we can use clean, white, massage, and gum care. These are the modes. And we have a unique design of 2 waved bristles for through cleaning of gum and hard-to-reach areas. And a 2-minute smart timer with interval pause reminding each 30 seconds. We have replaceable toothbrush heads. It's so easy. Pull on it, get a new one, press it in position, job's done. And it's waterproof, IPX7. And it's easy and convenient to reload this device. And the battery, one charging for around 50 days. Whoa, this is really cool. On the toothbrush itself, we have a toothbrush head on the upper side. Then we have a power button. This looks like a power button. You know that, okay? It's a circle and a line in it. Then we have an M button. This is for the modes, and the modes are detected by LEDs on the front side: clean, white, massage, gum care, and there's another LED for charging. If we docked it into a power supply, this charging light will be on, and the charging port is on the bottom side. It's really easy to use that toothbrush. We attach the brush head and make sure it's locked in place. Then we choose our preferred mode by pressing the M button. We may shift among the four modes: clean, white, massage, and comb care by continuous pressing. Then we wet the bristle and apply appropriate amount of toothpaste. Then we place the bristles with toothpaste against the teeth at a slight angle toward the gum line. Then we press the power button to turn it on. Do not press the power button if this toothbrush is not in your mouth. That's not so good. Then we gently move the brush head across the teeth on front, back, and chewing surface. We do not apply too much pressure to the teeth or apply the bristles to one area for a long time. After 2 minutes, it is recommended by dentists to brush the teeth, and there is an interval pause reminding after each 30 seconds. Then we can make another area of our mouth. We move to the next action when we feel the pause, and the toothbrush will automatically power off at 2 minutes. And to avoid splashing the toothpaste, only turn on the toothbrush itself after we have placed it against our teeth, and only remove it from the mouth after it is turned off, because it will bridge loud. Yeah, not good. After brushing our teeth, rinse our mouths with clean water and rinse the toothbrush head. We keep the toothbrush in a dry place after shutdown. And when the battery power level is low, the charging indicator will turn to red and flash to remind charging. We connect the toothbrush to a 5-volt 1 ampere power supply through the USB cable, and the charging indicator light will stay red, which means it is charging. When the battery is full charge, the color of the charging indicator will change from red to, green. And this is really, really easy. We do not disassemble, repair, or alter the product without authorization. People who have 7 periodontal disease or oral surgery should consult a doctor before use, because this is a ultrasonic toothbrush, okay? Yeah, this is next level cleaning of our mouth. And toddlers, infants, and people who are unable to operate should be supervised by a parent or adult. We do not soak the product in water for a long time. We do not place the toothbrush in a high temperature condition or expose it into the sun. We do not force the bristle hard against the teeth or gums. Yeah, that's awesome. And this is easy to use, as you can see. And it makes your teeth so much brighter. Easy, because, of course, we have to use it 2 times a day. In the morning and in the evening. It's really important to make a fresh and awesome tooth shining. Electric Toothbrush Twin Pack by ZoCCee. It's a sonic toothbrush and 2 handpieces with 8 replacement toothbrush heads, 2 brush head protective cases, and 5 cleaning modes, 2-minute timer, USB rechargeable, and IPX7 waterproof. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.